Hi everyone, my name's Simon Underschultz and I'm the archivist at the Art Gallery's Research Library and Archives. And this video is a quick tutorial to show you how to create a Wikipedia user account. So we'll just go to the Wikipedia landing page, just through a Google search. Find it here. And on the page, we'll just go to the English Wikipedia. And once you're on the main page, you'll see in the top right corner this create account. So just click on that and you'll get to this page where you'll have to enter a username. You can use your own name if you want, but I would recommend using a pseudonym. So this might happen to you where you try a username and it's already too similar to one being used. This might happen to you a few times because there's so many users out there. There, so that one works. Enter a password. And then an email address. You can, you don't have to put an email address, but it is recommended, and it's going to make it easier to manage your account in the future. And like it says here, email is required to recover your account if you lose your password. So I do recommend putting it in. I'm not going to for this video because it's just a dummy video. And then you have to enter the CAPTCHA, which there we go. Create our account. And there we go. We've created our own Wikipedia user account. And if you click this little red link with your username at the top, that takes you to your user page. I hope this helps. Thanks for watching.